The 10-second triage tool provides recommendations for prioritizing triage pathways based on the specifics of an incident. Each pathway is decided by a yes or a no answer to a question, therefore determining the urgency, for example P1, P2 or P3, or in unfortunate cases, fatalities. Key medical instructions are also highlighted in bold. If the patient is able to walk, yes indicates P3 level of urgency. If there's severe bleeding, yes would call for measures like pressure application, tourniquet use, packing, and assigning the case of a P1 priority. If the patient can communicate verbally, yes leads to the next question of whether there's a penetrating injury, front or back. If yes, it's a P1 situation. If no, classifies it as a P2. The ability to breathe is checked next. If capable, open the airway and position the patient for recovery, marking it as P1. If no, observe any signs of breathing and start CPR if resources permit. The tool then utilizes the methane model to bring a sense of order and clear understanding to the initial steps of managing any multi-agency or large-scale incident. M stands for Major Incident Declared. E stands for exact location of the incident. T is for the type of incident. H indicates any hazardous conditions present. A is for access routes to the incident. N denotes the number of casualties involved. And E represents the emergency services needed or already present on site. The tool also allows you to fill out option boxes indicating the number of patients under each priority category, P1, P2 and P3, and the count of those not breathing ranging from 1 to 19. We've put more information on the 10-second triage in the student download area.